Hi, and welcome to Elementary Music with Donna. I am Donna Rhodenizer. I have a song today for you called I Really Need to Know, and it's based on the questions who, what, where, when, and why, plus a few more complicated phrases which you will hear in just a moment. I'm going to sing the song for you, and then we will come back and talk about I Really Need to Know. Who, what, where, when, why, because I really need to know. Could they, would they, should they, did they do that long ago? Why did, who did do what they did? Surely someone knows. Who, what, where, when, why, because I really need to know. Worms and slugs and lightning bugs and giant dinosaurs, rocks and trees and buzzy bees and animals that roar, moons and stars both near and far and distant galaxies. There are lots of things to learn and lots of things to see. Oh why did, who did, do what they did? Surely someone knows. Who, what, where, when, why, because I really need to know. A great way to introduce this song is to ask your students some questions. Who, what, where, when, and why. You can choose any topic you like, or you can choose some of the examples that are going to be actually sung in the song. Who can tell me something about dinosaurs? Or why do lightning bugs light up like that when they're flying around? Who can tell me something about the stars? So it's a way to launch into the song by asking some questions. And when you ask those questions, who, what, where, when, and why, you find out a lot of information about a particular topic. If you're doing character trait education with your students, you can talk about this song in the context of curiosity. Is curiosity always a good thing? It does help us learn about things and find out about our world and other topics that interest us. However, what about the saying, curiosity killed the cat, but satisfaction brought him back? So what does that mean? How can that tie into curiosity as a good thing or as in something that might get us into a little bit of trouble every now and then? So it's a great way to discuss the concept of curiosity. Usually a good thing, I think, because as I said, it's a way of learning, it's a way of growing as people, but also sometimes we must take a little bit of caution along with that curiosity. This song is great for students in grades 4 to 6, ages 9 and up, in that range, because the melody is built with lots of accidentals and semitone movement. That's one of the reasons why I would put that in that older age category. With the accidentals that are in the melody of this song, it makes it a great opportunity to use this song as a score study. Put that vocal score in front of your students and look at the inclusion of those accidentals. Where do they happen? An accidental will be added before the note that is going to be changed. However, if there's another note of the same pitch in that bar, it will change that one too, even though there's no accidental added. So you'll have to look in the score and see if you can find examples of that. There are quite a few to find, so you can do a score study and look for those. You can also find examples of 4 notes. First one is a sharp, the next one is a natural, the next one is a sharp, and the next one is a natural again. And all of those accidentals create that semitone movement. And you have to put those in order to change it out of the notes that naturally occur in the key of the song. Once you've found the different varieties of accidentals in the score, you will also notice that sometimes there's an accidental that's created at the beginning of a bar, and that is a courtesy accidental that's added just to show that it's either gone back to what's supposed to be there, and it doesn't have to be added in there, but it's called a courtesy because I've done that to help the singer just to be sure what pitch that I'm looking for as part of my melody. I Really Need to Know is found at donnaandandy.com, and at that site on our page you can find the vocal score, the accompaniment score. You will find 4 accompaniment tracks. The one I sang along with is the studio recording track that we used as part of our Donna and Andy CD, A Jolly Bunch Are We, and you will get that track as well as the Donna and Andy performance of I Really Need to Know. And you will get a piano only track and a piano with melody guide played accompaniment track as well. There are teaching tips. There's a whole page on accidentals. It's kind of a hard concept to explain, and good luck with that as your students navigate the world of discovering accidentals. And there is also a coloring page, which is just a bonus that's added in there. I don't usually do coloring pages in my classroom. There's not enough time because we're doing all of the music activities we're doing. However, it might be a great thing to send home, get the students to listen to I Really Need to Know. They can stream that and listen at home, put that in their ear, and color along when they have lots of time on their hands, if they do, at home. Wherever you are, I hope you have a great day making music, and make music a great part of your day as you ask who, what, where, when, and why. Because I really need to know.